What's up, Jay? What's happening, Jay? Jay George, Cheyenne, what's up? I swear Cheyenne's just waiting, just ready. Waiting and ready for the live streams, man. As soon as I hit live, he's there. It's awesome. Wait, what? I'm so confused, Nimbus. What did he say? PMI, there's PMI today? Flash manufacturing PMI. Flash services PMI. Damn, son. I didn't even realize. I only check TradingView really, and it didn't say anything on TradingView. So, but yeah, it's obviously showing in a Forex Factory, isn't it? Interesting, Nimbus. Very interesting. I was looking for trades today. I'll trade during pre-lunch session as usual, but obviously the closer, no one of the joke out for that. Yeah, I was like, wait, what? I kind of guessed that you meant some kind of news potentially, or maybe I was thinking there's like a public holiday that I'm unaware of. What's up, Seal? Good to see you nevertheless. How was your... Didn't you go out yesterday as well, Nimbus? You finally took it out? Oh, nice. Yeah, it seems like most people did. I'm the only one that seems to have taken a win yesterday. Tony took a loss. You took a loss. Hi, Anna. How are you? Have you had a good day? Yeah, I had a good day. No trades for me today. I had my trade yesterday. There was lots of potential trades to be taken here from the the indicator, but yeah, I didn't really see anything that I fancied too much inside of my trading window, because of course this is outside of my trading window, this sell trade right here. What's up, Navi? What's happening, Navi? Any trade today? No trade today. No, this is my 9 to 5J. Navi, appreciate the follow. On TikTok, we're getting follows already. Let's go. Let's go. Go. But boys, oh boys, look at the indicator. Look at what we have updated. We now have a weekly. I'll wait for you to get in here first. But we now have a weekly, daily, and 4-hour bias in the table in the top right. So it now gives us a bias of the analysis timeframes, the higher timeframes, right? So straight away, just by looking at this, boom, we know the weekly's bullish, the daily's bearish, and the 4 hours bearish. So we've got two analysis timeframes that are bearish. So then we can be like, oh, you know what? I want to take this sell right here because the daily's bearish, the 4 hours bearish. So I want to look for sells, right? I don't understand what I'm seeing. You're seeing charts, my guy, charts. You're seeing beautiful, delicious charts, my friend. My friend. Oh, the indicator. Oh yeah, this is the indicator, bro. But yeah, it seems that we do have PMI coming up. What's this? 11:45. This is not for a few hours yet though, so I'm not too worried about that, to be honest. Bro, I'm joking. What do you mean you're joking? How's it look? How's it look good? And that was quick ad. Oh yeah, Herman. Yeah. Literally when you told me last night when you gave the idea, I just literally sent it straight to him while we was on stream. Check my previous message. I don't see your previous message. You only have one message on here, bro. But yeah, I literally sent it to him as we was on stream, and yeah, he added. I went to sleep that night. I woke up in the morning. He had already added it. So yeah, it's beautiful. So if you have bought the course, do we get? No, you don't have to pay. If you bought the course, or if you bought the lifetime, if you bought the one-time fee for the indicator now, then you're gonna have access to all future updates. You don't have to pay extra. Josh98, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Let's go. What else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, quick Instagram post. Quick Instagram post, man. Mark? What's up? Tech. What's happening, bro? Yeah, so Anna, I've got my coder. He's working on it right now. He's doing all the coding. He's finalizing it. There's still a couple more things to go. You'll see, you know, this is me in conversation with him here, and he's sending through the updates. He's sending through the scripts and everything. So yeah, it's almost done. It's almost done. Is XAUUSD going down, up, or he's going to go up this week or not? I mean, you know, if we're looking at previous weekly candles, look what gold has done, right? It's completely smashed through two previous weekly lows. There isn't a top wick from the weekly yet, but it doesn't necessarily mean there's going to be a top wick. So, you know, I doubt it, right? We broke too much structure at this point now, right? We broke multiple weekly lows. This is a huge sell-off weekly candle. We're looking at the daily as well. The daily right here, we've had a huge sell-off on the daily. Yeah, so I would say probably not at this point, right? Probably not. But I mean, price, it depends what price. So what we got here, we got durable goods, we've got GDP, and we've got personal. I mean, some of these news events coming this week, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this could, you know, flip price back bullish if they're, you know, bad news for the US. It just depends. Just have to wait and see, right? Just try not to predict too much. Just wait and see what happens. This is a huge sell-off right now. Look at the 4-hour time frame. I wouldn't be I wouldn't be looking at any kind of buys or anything anytime soon at this point. Obviously, you can look for pullbacks, but then I'll just be looking to continue the sell. All the momentum is to the downside right now. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Do, 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 do. Let me just do the... Let me just do the Instagram post. Hey, how are you? I'm good, man. What's up? What's happening? I'm good, man. How are you? Al Pacino is in the building. Al Pacino. But yeah, guys, I'm super happy with how it's turning out. Super happy. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second, almost done with the Instagram post. Just to tell everyone that we are live. All right. Gold update. All right. So let's just get rid of all this crap off the chart, right? Let's just get rid of all this shit. And let's just take a look at what is going on right now, okay? Well, the update have the session colors so we don't have to use other people indicators. Yeah. What does Nimbus want? Yeah, so that's actually really helpful as well, Anna. The fact that, you know, the key levels that show up on the indicator are color coded, right? So if the key levels that show up during the trading session are green, that means you can look for buys above these levels, right? You're only looking for buys during this trading window. And if it shows up red, then you're only looking at sells during that trading window, right below these key levels. So that's also another really helpful feature. He's also added higher time frame levels as well, so you can see these levels over here. These are levels from the indicator. These two, we've got daily and we have weekly as well, these levels up here. So yeah, a lot has been added, as well as the bias, the weekly bias, the daily bias, the 4-hour bias in the chart in the top right. And then obviously you get your entry, stop loss, take profit levels based on these the sell and buy signals. What else has he done? Let me see. So there's lots of options. You can mess around with these numbers, but I highly recommend leaving them as is, because these have all been punched in perfectly. You can choose if you want buy or sell signals, or if you just want the little triangles, right? So it leaves your chart a little bit cleaner. You don't have buy sell signals everywhere, taking up loads of space and making it look very messy. That's completely up to you. You can choose the number of signals that you want to see, right? So I only have it on one, so I will only see the most recent signal. So again, the chart isn't filled with, if I was to leave it on this, right? Look, if I was to zoom out, look at all the messiness that these buy and sell signals are creating on my chart, right? It just looks messy. It's not very clear. It can cause, you know, it can get like cluttery in your mind, you know, when you're looking at the chart. So you just put this on one, and it will only show the most recent signal. And then you have the option to exclude Asian session signals. So, you know, I highly recommend not trading Asian session. But if you don't want to trade Asian session, then you untick this and it will show all the Asian session signals as well. What else? We've got the trading window. You can turn this off or on if you want. But these trading windows highlight specific periods when you should trade. The best periods to trade, right? This is exactly when I look for trades, during these highlighted areas right here. So that's the trading windows. You can also change the color, right? So it's customizable to whatever color you want. We also have the data table, so you can turn that off and on if you want, but I don't know why you would want that off. It has really good information. Obviously, it shows you the weekly, daily, and 4-hour bias, and it gives you your entry, stop loss, take profit 1 and take profit 2 exact levels. So you definitely want that on. And then depending on what broker you're with, you can also adjust spreads. So if I adjust the spreads, it's going to change the numbers over here in the table, right? So if you have a broker that has a fairly high spread, you can change that up, right? I don't know why the max is 5 actually, but yeah, you can change the spreads and then it will change the numbers over here in the entry, stop loss, and take profit levels. BTS Army, thank you for the sub on YouTube, appreciate you. Then we have obviously the key levels, so the weekly, daily, and the session. And you can also put one in here, so it will only show the most recent key levels, right? So it will only show the ones currently, right? Whereas if I turn this on over here and I just put it to like 50, it's going to show you 50 levels back, right, in the market. So you can check the levels all the way back, and it just goes on forever. But again, that can kind of make your chart a little bit messy, so you might just want to change that to just 1, right? So you can only see 1 key levels at a time. So your chart now is just nice and clean, right? You just got 1 signal. You know exactly what you're looking for during this session, right? You're looking for sales because the key levels are red. You know your levels where you're looking for sales below. You can see that price is actually rejecting this key level right here currently. And you have levels down here, right? So price ends up dropping all the way down here. You've got key levels all the way down here, right? Key levels all the way down to trade during that trading window. So it's, yeah, insane update. There's so much to this indicator now that it is exactly just follows my strategy, right? It's insane, and it's all just to help you and help, you know, anyone have a better understanding of trading. And if you don't have much time to trade, for example, if you join the academy and you don't have time to study the course, or you don't have time to study trading in general, then this indicator is for you, right? So you can you know, less time, it does the analysis for you. It gives you all your key levels. It gives you your entry, stop loss, take profits. You know, it tells you exactly when to trade during the certain periods. So you can plan your day around these trading windows, right? If you know, okay, so the trading windows right here are from, you know, 3 p.m. until 7 p.m., right? So now I know when I'm going to be trading. I can plan the rest of my day around that now, right? Go to work, or I can go for a run, I can go to the gym, I can go do this, see my family. But I know that I have to be back on the charts for this period to start trading and looking for entries. I would love to get the indicator even course, but yeah, that's all right, Herman. That's all right, bro. Just keep showing up to the streams, you know, and you're going to learn something for sure. How much do I need to start trading? You don't really need a specific amount to start trading. He does everything but put in a trade. Yeah, exactly. That's so cool. Yeah, so this should be available to you guys in the academy, and whoever who owns the indicator currently. This should be available. Like, I want to say this week, but I'm gonna say at the latest next week. Does the indicator work best for scalping? Oh, what's up, Zeblo? What's up, bro? I didn't see your comment. What's happening, man? How are you? What's up, Summit? Sal sent on group gonna touch stop loss. Which Sal are you talking about, Sylvia? There was no entries. There was no entries for the for that trade, bro. I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. But Zeblo, so I mean, this is the 30-minute time frame, right? So this was the sell that it gave right here today during London session, like an hour ago or 2 hours ago. 100 pip move. 1 hour time frame. You know, this current sell signal doesn't look like it's going to get triggered, but it's I would say it's more catered to day trading and scalping, but it can be used for swing trading as well, for sure. But like I said, it's more catered to day trading and scalping, because that's my strategy. I don't really swing trade. I want to learn how to trade. What's up, Tony? What's happening, bro? The banks will come after all of us, as we will be on fire. Yeah, man. The banks are already coming for me. Don't worry about that. Is $10 enough to get start trading, or do I need more? I think $10. I mean, I think you're allowed to deposit $10 into an account for sure, but that's yeah. So, you know, you're not going to get far with $10, but you can definitely do it for sure. Viper, click the link in my profile, bro, if you want to check out everything. I don't really like to discuss it too much on stream. But yeah, if you're interested, just click the link in my profile on my TikTok. What's the best brokerage you can use on TradingView? Probably FP Markets, Ethan. FP Markets, IC Markets, Pepperstone. But I use FP Markets. Any trades today, Tony? Now we're gonna go up and down, get back up and let it around. Can you pull? Tony, I need to send you the latest update, bro, from the indicator. You just opened Pepperstone? Oh, nice. Yeah, I have used Pepperstone before. It's really good. They got really good spreads for gold, which is perfect. Exactly what you want. What's new on it? What isn't new, my guy? Look at this. Look at this right here. You see this little table up in the right-hand side? So when you get a buy or a sell signal, it will give you the exact entry, stop loss, take profit 1 and take profit 2 based on that sell signal. We've also got the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour bias straight here in the table. So it will tell you if the weekly's bearish or bullish, the daily's bearish or bullish, or the 4 hours bearish or bullish. It provides the trading sessions. So the highlighted areas, Tony, are the trading sessions that I teach in the academy. So the pre-London to London Open session, which is this one, and then the New York session trading window. That's how he's like Cody whispering the signals into ears. Yeah, literally, bro. Like, no one should be coming into the stream anymore and going, "Are you buying or selling? What's your entry? What's your stop loss? What's your take profit?" It also provides the levels, Tony, as well. So it automatically provides the 4-hour levels, and if they're red or green, it means that you're looking for buys or sells, right? So it also has the daily levels and the weekly levels. It's fire, bro. It's insane. Jedi has been going crazy over in the lab, bro. Like, typing up a storm. Are you buying or selling? Yeah. This is the 30-minute time frame. Sanvi. Your most asked question, yeah. How do you not have 500 likes? I don't know, man. Yeah, I probably should do a video on it. I'll do a video for the academy on exactly like the new updates and how to use it when it's released. And I'll probably do one for YouTube as well, actually, so everyone else can have a look too. Let's go, OXR. Let's go, bro. OXR, just spam up the likes, bro. Spam up the likes yourself. We usually get hella likes, so, you know, I'm not sure why there's none. Bum, bum. Yeah, look at that. The 15-minute signal as well was beautiful. 15-minute sell signal. The 15-minute just caught that drop perfectly. What's the indicator called? Forex with Cody algorithm version 4. What's up, PJ? What chart is that? For who? This is gold chart. Can you teach me? Yeah, I can teach you, bro. Oh, shit, you're going crazy, bro. We're at 878 likes now. Let's go. If we can get to 10k likes, on TikTok, then I'll give you guys the link to the indicator. But it's got to be 10k, man. It's got to be 10k. I went from 1.3. You went from 1.3k profit to minus 10k. How are you minus 10k? Like, you blew the 10k account? Was that real money? You use TradingView and MetaTrader 4. Yeah, I use TradingView and MetaTrader 5. You blew a 10k account? How long have you been trading for, OXR? Seven months. What's up, Shiesty? I mean, if you're only 7 months in, bro, yeah, you probably shouldn't be trading a 10k real money account, you know? User, OXR has been trading for 7 months. 6 months is not a long time. Set up a funded account and just put enough money in to match your margin and select save trades. Yeah. FB markets, brother. FB markets, bro. What's up, brother? Yes, I do, Chamia. Yo, you got 2. Oh, okay, Lux, now let's go. Can't find it. Oh, it will be on my website, Zblo. So if you check, if you click that link right above your comment, the XAU Elite Academy, click that link. That will take you to my website, and you'll be able to find it on there, bro. Did you catch a trade on gold again like yesterday? Nah, not today. Not today, PJ. I didn't catch it today. I was looking for sales, but I didn't catch it. It was this move down right here. This move down that I was trying to catch sales, but yeah, I just couldn't get an entry. So there was a beautiful entry here based on the indicator, but this is outside of my trading window, this one. You see, it's just outside of my trading window. The green highlighted area is where I look for trades, and this happened just after it. So yeah, I didn't take it, but it was a 100 pip move. Special teams, special plays, special players. Do you guys know each other or something? How to join? Click the link in my profile, Chemia. That's like the main reason I didn't trade today. Small break after loss and just price just melting. Got to see more structure. So Tony, what? Are you not getting up at the same time anymore, bro? Because I know it's really early for you to get up at that time, right? That pre-London session. Isn't it like 2 AM or something? Oh, you don't know him. It seemed like you guys knew each other for a second. The thing is, Tony, like, I would rather you just do New York session instead of London session. To be honest, but yeah, if you want to trade London, I'll ask JC to maybe you can turn the trading window off, bro. You can turn it off, but yeah, you probably just turn it off, bro. Otherwise, it's going to be too hard to try and customize like every single trading window. So you can just turn this section off. AM, yeah, fuck, that's crazy, bro. That was when you had your most consistency though, during that pre-London session, bro, when we was catching like the same trades. So it sucks that it's that early for you, but yeah, I understand, man. Like, sleep is important. Oh, sorry, Ethan, I missed your comment. Why do you strictly stick to your trading zone out of principle? Yeah, it's just that's my trading plan, Ethan. And the most important thing, in my opinion, when you're trading is to have a trading plan, but most importantly, stick to your trading plan, right? Because so many people I see create a trading plan, but they just don't follow it. And they'll have it set out in front of them, and then they'll see a trade and they'll get FOMO and they'll think, oh my God, I could make profit here. And they'll see that it's not following their trading plan, not following their strategy. But they, you know, if you, like most traders, you get FOMO and you just think about profit, you just see dollar signs and you'll take that trade anyway. And 9 times out of 10, it'll be a losing trade. So the reason why I stick to my trading windows is for consistency, for discipline. Because if I start breaking my own rules and going, you know what, I'm just gonna trade outside of my trading window today, right? That's just gonna create a whole lot of knock-on effect, inconsistency. You know, it's just gonna create a mess down the line. So you always, if you create plans and rules, always stick to them. Always stick to them. See it through, bro. It 100% always leads to worse trades. You might be sitting there thinking, man, I'm gonna make profit here. Like, this could be a really good trade. If I don't take it, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss out on profits. But in reality, what happens is you take the trade and it ends up losing, and you think, for fuck's sake, why didn't I just listen to myself? Why didn't I just follow my plan? And it's a vicious circle, right? And it just never stops. So you have to eventually, at some point in your trading career, put your foot down and say, no, I'm following my plan. I'm staying disciplined. If the trade ends up working out and I miss profits, then so be it. As long as I can say I stuck to my plan, it doesn't matter, right? Hi, how are you trading AI? How are you trading AI bots used? This is coded in TradingView, Runely. This is coded in TradingView, so it's just Pine code, but it's based on my strategy. Yeah. 5-minute chart bullish, yeah. I mean, 30-minute is also bullish here. We had a 5-minute buy signal here. Chart, this is XAUUSD. Yo, Rick, thank you for the follow. Rick, appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang, Rick. Ricky. On point, brother. Yeah, you gotta stick to your plan, man. You gotta stick to it. You have to. You have to stick to it, even if it's a losing trade, a winning trade. No matter what happens, you have to stick to your trading plan. You just have to. Otherwise, you're just never gonna find, you know, consistency. You're never gonna find discipline. You're never gonna take that next step. Too late to enter? Too late to enter what? The buys? This was, I mean, yeah, pretty much. This was an invalid signal anyway, because if we take a look at the entry says 23. Let's have a look. 2303 entry 2303.725. So, I mean, if you got tight spreads, you wouldn't have got triggered here potentially, right? Because you can see this entry signal candle doesn't trigger the trade. So this would have been a no trade anyway. Stop loss 2301. Oh. Yeah. So That would have been the trade, but it wouldn't have been a no trade anyway. Why? First of all, because you wouldn't have got triggered. Okay, this candle would not have triggered you in, but it's also outside of the recommended trading period, right? The trading window. We are now in no man's land, right? I do not trade this this point in time. It's outside of my trading zone. See you later, Tony. Peace out, bro. Peace. Bye, honey. Oh, Rosalie.
Yeah.
Thank you. Cup of tea time. Cup of tea time. Yo, TikTok, I said if he gets the if this live stream gets 10k likes, I will drop the link for the indicator free. For free. But only to version 3. So you have updated the dashboard per hermit. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yep. Looks good, yeah? It now gives weekly, daily, and 4-hour bias. Kent and Laser Crypto Man, appreciate the follows. I thought you followed yesterday, Crypto Man. Maybe not. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm tripping. Day 4 of requesting. Here comes Rutuja. Yo, look at my finger. Trapped it today, man. There's like a... I mean, it looks tiny on the camera, but it's like a huge blood blister. But yeah, let's check out the 4-hour time frame. So we got absolute lows right here, and we've also got the previous 4-hour candle lows right here, which I'm actually going to change color because I don't like it that color. Was it the spiders? Nah, I trapped it in something, man. You know when you trap it in something and it like pinches it? Fuck, it hurt. But I ain't no bitch. I didn't cry, I promise. I didn't cry, Nimbus, I promise. Do you believe me? You don't believe me? Yo, why is everyone saying that I'm cried? Like I cried? What the hell? Nah, y'all weird for that, man. You guys are weird for that. Sir, please give me $20. How do you want me to give you $20, bro? It's okay to cry. You know what, Thomas? You're right. It is okay to cry. Giant Australian spider, yeah. That's my worst nightmare, man. I might if my dong was what got trapped. Nah, mainly just gold, crypto. Mainly just gold. I did trade GJ as well at one point in time. Recently, like within the last couple months, I did trade GJ as well. But I feel like just choosing one pair and sticking to it brings a lot more consistency. And you can actually be a lot more profitable. Trading one pair, focusing on one pair for sure. Bro, I sell. You sold? Where did you sell from? Be careful, I've dropped bears as well. Five-minute chart. That would have been like a 27 pip move right there. 'Fucking giant spiders is why I avoid Australia like playing stone. You can't even bring up courage to visit relatives. The spiders are not even that bad, bro, honestly. They're not even that bad. What trading apps are available on a desktop? TradingView, MT5, MT4, CTrader. What else, guys? What else? What trading apps are available on a desktop? Nah, Nimbus, you think that, but when you actually see one, it's actually not that bad. CTrader, yeah, CTrader. What's my favorite trading time frame? The 4 hour for sure. The 4 hour time frame is literally all you need to trade. Like if I was to just go like this, right? If I was to just show you this, if you go to the 4 hour time frame and you literally just go, depending during the right period, right? So if I turn on this, just so I know when you're trading the right period, if you just go to the 4 hour time frame and you just say, okay, pre-London 4 hour candle, right here, this is bearish. I'm going to enter from the 4 hour time frame like this, boom. Because the candle's bearish, I'm going to enter sales, put my stops above there and target a 1-to-1, right? There's 250 pips. Okay. Over here, you can say, you know, oh, bullish 4 hour candle. Price continue bullish, right? Bullish 4 hour candles. Over here. Price continue bullish, right? Look how many entries you could just get straight off the 4 hour time frame. Right? Hundreds of pips each time, very easily. Just based on the 4 hour time frame, just entering off of bullish and bearish 4 hour candles. Right? Here we have a bearish candle. Up above. 1-to-1. 190 pips. Here we have a bearish candle. right? You put your stops above that previous 4-hour high. Try and get a 1-to-1. 67 pips. Right? The 4-hour time frame is literally all you need. Then you just need to go down to the lower time frames and try and understand how you can get entries based on these 4-hour candles, right? And that's what I teach. That is what the indicator also gives signals on as well. In a nutshell, right? In a nutshell. Obviously, it's a lot more than that, but the 4-hour candle is literally all you need to trade. What's up, Talkie Trader? What's happening, bro? How's your day going? My day's going good, man. How's your day going? How long into the 4-hour candle would you wait to decide though? Because the candles can flip from bullish to bearish. That's why you just wait for breaks of the highs, right? So you don't do anything based on those candles until, for example, if it's a bullish candle, you wait until the next 4-hour candle breaks that candle highs, right? Or if it's a bearish candle, you look for the next candle to break the previous 4-hour lows. Everything you need is in the daily and the 4-hour candles. That is the only two time frames you need to trade, right? Daily and 4-hour. And then you go down onto the 1-hour or the 5-minute, and you can start looking for your entries. Do you worry about what the candles close as, e.g. hammer, etc. before taking the trade? Obviously, you know, if it's a huge, you know, if it's something like this, you know, this candle right here, this bullish candle, then obviously you're not going to be looking for buys here, are you? Because this is a huge rejection wick. Price closes all the way down here, so price would have to come up, what, 350 pips to get back up to those highs. It's just not really that viable, right? It would be stupid to enter a trade like that. But anything else, if you just follow specific 4-hour candles, and again, you know, this is my strategy, this is what I teach. Learning to trade specific 4-hour candles during certain times of the day, right? And all you need to do is just look at the chart right now and understand when the biggest 4-hour candle moves happen, right? When do they happen? We got one right here, and we got them right here, right? Right here, right here, over here, over here. Look at when all these 4-hour candles are moving consistently throughout each day, right, at the same time. And that's the 4-hour candle that you want to trade. And that 4-hour candle is going to give you a bias, right? That's going to give you, if it closes bullish, you're going to say, okay, during this next 4-hour candle, I want to look for buys. If it's bearish, during this next 4-hour candle, I'm going to look for sells, right? And then you start going down into lower time frames, start doing your analysis, trying to understand how you can get into that trade, how you can take advantage of that 4-hour candle when it's moving. Like right now, right? Look what's happened. Previous 4-hour candles are bearish. Huge move down right here during an Asian session. And then we kind of had like we had an inside bar candle right here, didn't break the highs, didn't break the lows. And now this London candle has come down and broken the lows, but it's made a lower high, right? So you can see the structure is still forming, lower highs, lower lows. So, you know, just continuation sells is all you should be really looking at right now. But obviously you have to be looking below key levels. Key levels. What's up, Squizzy? I like the way you keep everything clean. Yeah, clean charts is the way forward, man. Clean charts. You want to keep your charts as clear as possible. And that is why I give the options on this indicator to to get rid of everything and just to have one of everything, right? For example, just to see the only most recent signal, the buy sell signal, and only the most recent key levels, right? And everything else you just want to turn off. You don't want to see like 50 signals on your chart. You don't want to see 50 different key levels. You just want to see the most recent key levels, the most recent signal. You've got your trading window, right? So you know exactly when to trade, when to look for trades right in here. It's all very simple. Yeah, Squizzy. So yeah, now we've added the someone came into the stream yesterday. All right, Anna, see you later. Off to the gym. What time is it where you are? I'll catch up with you tomorrow again. Have an amazing day tomorrow. Ciao. What time is it where you are, Anna? Going to the gym at 9 PM is crazy. You're dedicated, man. I love that. Well done. But yeah, have fun. I'll see you tomorrow maybe. But yeah, so yeah, Squizzy, someone came into the stream yesterday and mentioned it would be a good idea to add like a bias to the indicator, so you could, you know, just look at the weekly, daily, and potentially 4 hours as well, and see a quick like bias or direction. And so we added that. I thought that was a really good idea, actually. You're training for a competition. Nice, let's go. That's insane. You have to keep me updated about that, Anna, actually. That's insane. So yeah, we added that. We added some other key levels. So you can see we've got key levels up here now, based on the weekly and daily time frame. What else did we add? We did something else as well. I can't remember what it was. But yeah, it's coming together nicely. It's coming together really nice. Can you explain more about your trading window, what it's for, why shouldn't we trade outside of it? Tio, based on my experience, based on you know, my back testing and forward testing, these specific windows that I'm giving you are the best, most consistent windows to trade in terms of volume, price action, structure. And you'll see, you know, moves happen a lot within these trading windows, right? Clean moves, like here, clean move up, right? Clean moves down, clean move up, clean move down. There's rarely any consolidation like this in here, right? Or like you see a lot during London session. You can see over here, right? Again, yesterday during this trading window. As soon as this trading window opens, you start seeing high volume moves to the downside. Yeah. Nice clean moves, nice structured clean moves. Again, you know, you can see in here, you can see with outside of this trading window, as soon as this trading window commences, look, price starts to range, right? Very low volume. Then the trading window opens again, and look what happens. Price starts to move up. Yeah. So these are just clean trading windows where price is most consistent, moves very nicely, respects structure, has volume. So it's just helping you, you know, focus your time, focus your attention on a specific period in the charts where you can get the best results, right? Instead of trying to focus your attention throughout the whole trading day, Asia session, New York session, London session, and, you know, being overwhelmed, being stressed, trying to capture too much, you're only focusing your attention on one specific trading window and getting the best out of it, right? That's how you're going to end up being successful, profitable, disciplined, consistent. Is just by aiming that focus, because we're all the same. We can't focus on something heavily for a long period of time, right? Unless we use enhancements. So we need to make sure that we're focusing all our attention on a specific point in time, because at some point we're going to get tired. We're going to start, you know, needing a pick me up, or you're going to start losing concentration. So focusing your attention and your time on one period and trying to trade during that period is very beneficial. How much loss did you make before you started making profit, or how was your experience when first year? Oh well, yeah, Tio, like same as everybody else, you know. I lost a lot when I first started trading. I blew I remember I blew like a 10k account. Other accounts, you know, same as like we all do. When we come into trading, we think we're gonna be able to get rich quick, and you just blow it, and yeah. But it took me like 4 years. Do I have a... Yeah, so this is the New York window right here. This is the New York window. So the first one, you'll see a gap in the market like this, right? A bigger gap. Then we have the first trading window. Then we have a small gap. And then we have the second window. This is during New York session, this window right here. The second window is during New York session. The first one is during pre-London into London. This one right here. Brother, can you remember that I first came to Forex and met you, Talkie Trader? No. When was it, bro? I've got a terrible memory, so I apologize, man. How long I know you've been in here a very long time, Talkie Trader. You've been around a lot, but I don't remember the exact time. Yeah, exactly, Squizzy. Exactly. Like you said yesterday, you know, you can't expect to just buy any indicator, let alone this indicator, and be profitable and make money straight away, because the psychological aspect and the risk management aspect is still going to come into play, and people still struggle with that, right? This is the 5 minute shredder. Talkie Crypto, yeah, I knew that was you, Talkie Trader. To be honest, I didn't even realize your name had changed, but I knew it was you. Are you currently in the trade now? I'm not in the trade. What's up, Tanui? New York hasn't opened? Yeah, I know. This is the London session one, Tio. The New York session one will start over here. It will pop up over here sometime soon. So the first one is this one. The first one is London, pre-London. This one is during New York. New York, New York. Does the dashboard show the current buy settings, e.g. stop loss and take profit? What do you mean, laser? Like this buy signal right here? Yeah, so the dashboard will display, the entries will display the most recent signal on any time frame that you switch to. So right now it's showing this buy signal right here on there. But if I was to go to the 15 minute, it's going to show this sell signal over here, the most recent signal on each time frame. So you can see how it goes from green to red. When they're green, it's showing the buys. When it's red, it's showing the sells, obviously. Same on the 30, right? All these numbers will change based on whatever time frame you flip to, where that signal is. What size do I trade with? Full risk, I use 5 lots. Half risk, I use 2.5 lots. Did you trade today? Nah, I didn't catch a trade today, Tony. I was looking for one, but I couldn't find an entry, man. No entries for me today. PMI up or down? We'll have to wait and see. Bomb. We'll have to wait and see, bro. You can't really predict PMI. We have to wait for the data to come out and then we react. Broker is FP Markets. FP Markets. Can you cycle through several Forex pairs just to show if it works well on them too? I can do that. What's the spreads like? Spreads are really good. If you choose the raw spread account, then the spreads are amazing. But same as everything, right? So what pairs do you want me to look at? Any? Just any Forex pairs? Let's have a look at Euro, GJ, USD, CAD, and you know, we'll just stick with them. So Euro USD right here, you can see had a buy signal today. Beautiful buy signal right there. Sell signal right here. Sell signal. That's an invalid signal though. That wouldn't have triggered. I don't like Euro USD though. You can see how these key levels are. Look how these key levels are just being played with right now. Rejecting off that top key level. Broken retest of these key levels right here. GJ was the same on the 30-minute time frame. You got a buy over here. 27, 50 pips. You know what, let me just turn on more so you can see more signals as well. Let's just do 10. So obviously you would only take them during the trading window, right? So this would be a valid sell right here. You'd catch 25 pips. This would be a valid buy right here. You'd capture 50 pips. This is outside of the trading window, although it played out beautifully for like 69 pips. This would be a loss, 20 or so pips. This would be a sell right here because it's during the trading window. You would catch 42 pips-ish. This is not a sell because it's outside of the trading window, nothing here. These are outside of the trading window as well, but you know, 38 or so pips. No signal here. This would be a valid buy because it's inside the trading window. 23 pips. So yeah, it actually works really well on GJ on the 30-minute time frame. But what your indicator draws key levels, yeah, draws key levels as well, bro. You can see how they're being played around with right now as well. You can see rejection right here. Boom. Break. Same thing happened on GJ's Euro USD, right? So we reject the top, break and retest the level underneath, and then continue. Look at Euro USD as well. Reject the top level, retest over here, and then continue bullish. USD CAD during the trading window. We've got a nice 25 pip move down, a nice 10 pip move down, 10 pip move down. Oh no, that's outside of the trading window. Sorry, that's no trade, no trade. So you only take the trades within the highlighted areas, right? This would be a 20 pip move down, no trade, no trade. Yeah. So it works pretty well. It works pretty well on the 30-minute time frame on Forex pairs. So yeah, that's some Forex pairs. Also, I can see that it's not showing the entries and stuff on the Forex pairs, as you can see up here. The table doesn't work on Forex pairs, so I have to get that fixed. So it's a good job we did look at Forex pairs actually. So I'll send that to my coder, because yeah, it should work on every pair. It only seems to work on gold for some reason. So good job we're trying. You know, this is why it's not being released until next week. There's still some things that need to be fixed and tested. So, but the signals work. The signals work, you know. Also, last night randomly got a follow from Forex Cody and realized it was an impersonator. Same TikTok except 0 in Forex was a 0. Reported the account and oh shit. Yeah, I haven't had messages about that in a while actually, Squizzy. So they must have got banned. They must have got a lot of their accounts banned, and so they've gone off and remade some more. Now they're back at it. The dogs. How should I download MT5 app on my desktop? You need to choose a broker, Ronley. You need to choose a broker that you're going to use, and then go onto their website, make an account, and then download their MT5 platform. I see the trading windows, but how do you determine which direction the window will go? The indicator gives the direction to you. The indicator gives the direction. So, I mean, I'm not going to tell you exactly how, because that's part of my strategy. You know, I'm not just going to give away too much. But, for example, right, the indicator shows if the key levels are red, right? Right here, you can see you're only looking for sales, right? You're only looking for sales below these key levels. If it's green, like up here, right, then you're looking for buys during that trading window above these key levels. Very simple. It gives you direction, it gives you bias, it gives you the entries, the stop loss to take profit. You know, what else do you need? It gives you everything. It tells you which way to trade. It tells you exactly when to trade. It gives you specific trading windows. So it tells you when to trade, which direction to trade, and it will also give you the entry, stop loss, and take profit. They have 3,328 followers of ripping all your vids and uploading them. Damn, bro. What? So, let me have a look actually. So they replaced the O with a 0, yeah? On TikTok. The motherfuckers, man. Them motherfuckers. I can never seem to find them, bro. So they must block me. Guys, look at this. This is what you need to be doing. Have you backtested the indicator on all lower levels below 4 hour? Yeah. Of course, bro. No, it prints as the candle opens, Girthy. So literally as soon as this candle closes and this one opens, it will give you a sell signal straight away. So you know straight away as soon as this sell signal appears, you're looking for sales below that previous low right there. So you would set your sell stops down here below this candle. It gives you plenty of time to get in. I live in Perth. Which is the best broker for trading? You use Capital. I use FP Markets, Xerox. FP Markets, bro. They're really good broker. Yeah, they definitely block me because I can never seem to find them. I can never seem to find them. But yeah, I'm actually gonna message my coder right now about while it's still fresh in my mind about how it's not working on Forex pairs. The indicator doesn't show table data for Forex pairs. I mean, he may have just known that I only trade gold, so he's only done it for gold. But yeah. Yes, sir. What happened to the music? Where did you go, music? All it took was a doc with a question. What do you mean? What do you mean, Nimbus? What are you talking about, bro? All it took was that's the dude's name who asked you to look at pairs. Oh yeah. Duck. Yeah, good job. He told me to look at some Forex pairs so I can get that fixed. ASAP Rocky. Price action is looking very messy now, right? Messi, Lionel Messi. Do you have a table of percentage win loss for the back testing on the time frame? Sorry for the questions. Not necessarily. No, I have my journal. I have my journal which I've took all the trades on, but I don't have specific journal or percentage for every single time frame on all signals, because that would just take a hell of a lot of time. But yeah. When does your next trading windows open? It will open in an hour and a half. An hour and a half. What I do, buy or sell? What I do, buy or sell? Please tell me. The strategy tester? Crypto? No, I haven't actually. I actually have no idea how to use this. That's a good idea though. I'll actually do that. Thoughts on the economy? On which economy? What's that table? So this is a table, Tom, that gives you, first of all, the bias of the higher time frame. So these are my analysis time frames. So this indicator is based on my strategy. So I look for the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour to get a bias. Then once you get a sell signal, right, it will give you the exact entry, stop loss, take profit 1 and take profit 2 levels, right? The exact levels right here. So that's what that table is. Oh, the trading group EA economy. I've never heard of it. Never heard of it. Has anybody heard of the trading group EA economy? Is it free? Unfortunately not, my guy. Unfortunately not. How far the breakout candle break past the key level affect your decision? Obviously, if it drives a fair bit, Squizzy. You know, let's have a look over here. Some of these key levels. So, for example, this one, right? This trade right here. The fact that price came. Oh, well, this is the 30-minute time frame, but anyway, price comes all the way down, breaks that key level in here, right? The level that we would use to trade, breaks it. And comes down and always almost comes into this next key level, right? So the fact that this comes within 10 pips of the next key level obviously is too much, right? Price drives 100 pips. It's almost into that next key level. So what you could do at that point then is just wait for price to break this key level and try to get an entry. But I mean, the 5-minute is always better for those types of entries anyway, because this is that exact trade right here. So on the 1 hour, you don't get an entry, but on the 5-minute, your entry would be right here. Yeah. Once price comes down, breaks below, you put your stops here. You target that next level, right? You'd catch like 70 pips. So yeah, I would say if it drives past it by like 30, 50 pips, maybe 50 pips. But I kind of just, there's not a real number that I have in mind. It's just how it looks, right? The fact that for this example, price drives almost down into the previous key, the next key level, would make me, you know, say, okay, I'm not going to take this trade. the move has already happened at that point, right? This is the move that you're trying to capture right here. So if this just drives all the way down without giving you an entry, then that move has already happened, and you don't want to be looking for another trade after that. But look at these key levels, man. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. Beautiful. Support over here. Price breaks below. Drives down. 64 pips. In here as well, very nice. Right, price breaks this key level. Get a breakout trade. 5-minute closure below. Price drives down into the next key level. 120 pips. And the fact that these key levels are red is meaning you're only looking for sales, right? You're only looking for sales below these levels. This would be your resistance, right? So if price breaks this top resistance, the top level, like it does over here, then you would no longer be looking at sales because price has broken that key level resistance and is pushing up above it. You would no longer be looking at sales. You'd wait for the next trading window. Very simple. Very, very simple. Indicate a name. It's Forex with Cody Algo version 4. It'll be on my website. Link in my profile on TikTok. Yeah, I'll definitely do that, crypto. I'll do that. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm guessing. I suppose you can do certain time frames, but I'm guessing it will take some time. So. They claim to give you signals daily on when to buy and sell using Manara and Emunis. What on earth is Manara and Emunis? What is that? I've never heard any of these things. Oath. I just wanted to start somewhere, and I feel like it might be a good start as I can get the signals and make money and learn how to trade. I'd just recommend Manara. Yeah, I've never heard of those things, bro. I've been in trading for over 7 years now. I've never heard of EA Economy. I've never heard of Manara or Emunis. Never in my life, bro. Never heard of them. So I'd be careful with that, bro. I'd be careful with that. Definitely. If someone's offering to give you daily signals, it's most probably not legit. Because any real trader, any solid trader would know that you're not going to get signals every day. And if you do, then you're probably trying to force it and you're going to make mistakes, right? No trader should be coming into the market every day going, I'm going to get signals every single day. Because if you're a legit trader, you know that, like I said, there's going to be days where you come into the markets and you're not going to find an entry, and that is fine. That's perfectly fine. But yeah, if you, I mean, like I said, I've never heard of them, so I can't give you advice on that. But if they're claiming to give you daily signals, I will just be a bit careful with that, bro. In my opinion, I'm not hating or anything, but you know, any solid real trader would know that promising daily signals is not something that should be like advertised, really. I mean, if they can give daily signals, my gosh, they should be, you know, they should be multi-millionaires at this point, billionaires. How's the market now? It's all right. It's starting to consolidate a little bit. This is why I have these trading windows, right? This is why I don't trade within these areas, because you can see now price is starting to just kind of die down a little bit. It's not really moving. It's, you know, it's going up and then it's come back down. It's consolidating a little bit. Whereas, you know, during the trading windows here, we had very nice clear moves down, right? And you can see that the key levels are red. So that means we was looking for sells. And what happened? Price sold off not once, but twice, right? This strategy is, it knows what it's doing, all right? It's AI. It's smarter than me now. It's taken over from me. It's took my strategy and it's just applied its own techniques. Well, yeah, exactly, crypto. Anyone can give daily signals, but if they're giving signals, right, then they're claiming obviously that they're profitable. No one's gonna be a losing trader or not a profitable trader and offer signals to people, right? So the fact that they are offering signals is meaning that they are saying that they are profitable, that they know how to make money. So if they're giving signals every day saying that they're profitable, obviously you're gonna have losing trades. That's a given. But if they're giving signals every single day, you know, and they're saying they're profitable, which obviously they are if they're giving signals, they should be billionaires at this point, right? What keeps changing, Tom? What do you mean? What keeps changing about it? Signals? Nothing has changed. What's changed? Entry? Yeah, that's because I've been flipping through time frames, bro. That's because I'm flipping through time frames. So this is the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute, it's referencing this buy signal, right? But on the 15-minute time frame, the most recent signal was a sell signal over here, right? This seller over here. So it changes to red. It changes based on if it's a buy or a sell. Is the indicator paid? Yeah, paid, bro. Just click the link in my profile and it will take you to my website. No worries, Tom. Dude in the chat, what's your name? HTYTRD. This is a buy and a sell indicator, but this is literally been coded off of my strategy. So it's not just some random indicator that gives buy sell signals. This is actually my strategy in an indicator. So yeah, I'm not a buy sell indicator trader. I trade my strategy, but this is for people who, you know, don't know how to trade and they want to trade. They can use this indicator. What's its win rate? My win rate is currently right here. I'll show you in my journal. All my trades since the start of the year, journaled so far for 2024. And the win rate for my trades is, drum roll please. Let me just put it so you guys in the TikTok can see it, because you're on a small screen. 62.65%. 167% account gain and a total of 503 pips profit. You can also see by month, January 49% win rate, February a 74% win rate, March a 69% win rate, and so far for April a 78% win rate. I've only taken 12 trades this month. What's up, Uzman? What's happening, bro? Sorry, I missed your comment over on the YouTube channel. What's up, my guy? All right, Squizzy, peace out, bro. Peace out, bro. Appreciate you, man. As always, showing up. My guy, Squizzy. But yeah, you know, I'm not boasting to be, you know, a 100% win rate trader, or I'm not even saying that this indicator will give you a 100% win rate, right? You're probably going to have similar results to me, maybe a little bit worse, because I have a lot more experience maybe than most of you. I know how to handle myself in the markets accordingly. I have great risk management. I have a great psychology. I have a solid risk management. I have a solid plan. I have solid everything, right, based on my experience. So you may or may not get similar results because you might be new on your journey. You might still not understand all aspects of trading, and you might suffer with emotions when you're entering trades and you have a losing trade, right? It all differs. So you could have similar results to me, you couldn't. It depends on the person. Great sideburn. Yeah, I need to slow down when I'm talking. I talk really fast, so I often stumble and stutter my words because I'm trying to talk too fast and get it all out. So I just need to calm down, relax, let my words just flow, you know. But yeah, that's the journey. That's the journal. Bum, 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 bum. Which time frame is getting proper signals? So I always, to members who are signing up, I always recommend them the 30-minute or the 1 hour time frame. They give solid signals, very consistent. So yeah, after some time, after a few months, and you understand how the indicator works, and you understand risk management, and you know how to follow the strategy properly based on all the aspects of the indicator, then you can go down to the 5-minute time frame, start looking for scalps if you wish to, right? You don't have to, but I would say stick to the 30-minute, the 1 hour, potentially even the 4 hour as well, and see how you go. All these only with price action? What do you mean? Kind of all these what? The trades or? Yo, Top Tick, appreciate the follow, man. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. Let's go. What is your normal risk versus return? Yeah, 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2, man. Yeah, all the trades, yeah, just based on my strategy. Price action, breakouts, key levels, momentum, trend, you know. All the usual. I also only had 5 hours sleep last night. So that's why I am stuttering my words about. I very rarely get a lot of sleep at the moment because of my daughter, so I need sleep and I need to slow down when I'm talking. The both of them combined, the fast talking and the lack of sleep, is a disaster. So Nimbus, send me the chart, bro, of your trade that you lost. Let's see it. Let's see it, broski. DM me, Sajid. DM me, bro. Yeah, exactly. You don't need a high win rate at all. as you guys can see, right, I have a 62% win rate, and I've grown the account by 167% since the 1st of January 2024. From 10K to now sitting at $42,171. See you later, Tanui. It's basically the slide down from midnight. Wait, you're talking about this over here? Oh man. Ah. You look like you're managing great. Yeah. It may look like it, but I don't feel like it. There's also been a lot of work going in at the moment, like with the academy, with the indicator, trading as well, family, you know, like there's been a lot of work going on. So like my sleep has been lacking badly. Not sure if you can see it, but I figured it would rebound at one of the boxes. Wait, what on earth is that indicator, Nimbus? I want you to go ahead and delete that shit right now. Nimbus, you would actually like FVG? No, I don't trade FVGs, PJ. I don't trade them. Sajid and Sizzle, appreciate you guys. Thank you for the follows on TikTok. Let's go. Nimbus, you see this dotted red line right here, right? See this one? This is what you look for right here. If you know what I'm saying, right? Based on a certain candle, right? So again, look at these dotted lines in here. Top, bottom, dotted line. Do you understand what I'm saying, Nimbus? And if it's green, means, you know, looking for buys, price action is bullish. If it's red, looking for sales, price action is bearish. Is that really your custom indicator, Nimbus? Is there any news today? Yeah, there is PMI. PMI coming up. Dotted line breakout and solid change of character. Not necessarily, no. Good guess though. Not a bad guess, my guy. Bum, bum, brum, bum, bum, bum. We'll have to wait and see, Nabeen. We'll have to wait and see, man. Like, we have to wait for the numbers. If we don't know the numbers, we don't know the data, then we're not sure how it's going to affect gold. But it will affect gold in some way, of course. Of course, man. You see, this is why outside of this trading window, look at the price action now. Look at the low volume candles in here, right? This is outside of the trading window. This is valuable information right here that this indicator is giving you. Will gold give bounce back? You mean flip back bullish or what? Is that what you're asking? Bullish? Potentially, yeah. Of course. You can always flip back bullish. It's only Tuesday, you know? It's only Tuesday. We've still got the rest of the week. The only thing though, Nabin, is if you take a look at the weekly candle, you know, it's broken 2 previous weekly lows at this point. So structure from the weekly perspective is definitely, you know, flipped bearish in my opinion. At the moment, right? But obviously this weekly candle has no top wick, so at any point it could flip back bullish for sure. But like I said, we don't know until it happens, right? We can't predict it. We just have to wait and see if it happens. That's it. It's that simple. But look at price. Look at where price is. Look at this 1 hour candle, right? Look at this 1 hour candle here. It come down exactly into that key level support and rejected. And rejected. I want to be your student. How can I? I mean, you can show up to the live streams every day, Nabeen. You can show up to the live streams, man, and you're gonna learn. Or you can join the academy, my bro. You can join the academy. It's completely up to you. I'm in Australia right now, Nabeen. I'm in Australia, but I'm from the UK originally. You're in Australia as well, Nabeen? Let's go. Let's go, bro. Is it TikTok stream at 10k likes yet? Nope, it's not. 3,300. If you get 10k likes on TikTok for this stream, then I'll drop a link for version 3 of the indicator right now. Right now. You live in Sydney? I'm in Melbourne. Are you in the trade which is in? No, I'm not in that trade. That trade happened earlier. That was a sell for 100 pips, over 100 pips. You've only got version 2, PJ. Yeah, I'll drop you version 3, bro. Because you're a gentleman and a scholar. I'll drop you version 3. If any of you guys from the TikTok want version 3 of the indicator, actually no, I'll just drop it to you. PJ, are you in the Discord, bro? We need 10k likes on TikTok before I drop it on TikTok, so yeah, appreciate the follows on TikTok. Let's go. Let's go. What commission does your broker charge? I think it's I think it's the standard. I don't even know, to be honest. 3.3 7, was it $7 per lot size? Australian dollars. How do you do a like on TikTok? You just spam tap on the screen, laser. You just spam tap it. Which is the best platform to take trade in Australia? Currently, I'm using Vantage. I use FP Markets, Nabin. Man, FP Markets need to start paying me. I swear to God. I swear I mentioned their broker like 50 times a stream. You got version 2, all right. You're not in the Discord. How can I? Okay, I'll drop the Discord as well. Then I'll drop the Discord. So anyone who wants to join the Discord, I'm gonna put it in the YouTube chat right now. Okay, it's going to be in the YouTube chat. So if you guys on TikTok want to join it, come over to the YouTube. You'll be able to hit the link in my profile. Just come to the YouTube. And yeah, you can join the Discord. All right, boys. The commission should be huge. What, for FP markets, Nimbus? Yeah, FP markets, yeah. Yeah, I think they pay like they pay something like $450 per person that you sign up or something like that. I don't have that, but I've looked at it on their website. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around there. I think that's like verified, like they sign up, they have to deposit something. It's crazy. That's crazy. I need to get in on that shit. How do you transfer money from Pepperstone to a bank account? You need to log on to their website, Benny's. Go on to Pepperstone website, log into your account, and then find the withdraw section. See you later, Samex Education. You can't be coming in here, my guy. Cut loss? Which loss? Which loss are you talking about? Yeah, just like that. It's your money, Bunnies. It's not their money, it's yours. So you withdraw it whenever you want. Now you don't need a wallet unless I mean, you can do quick crypto withdrawals, but if you deposited through like a bank card or something, then you have to withdraw it through a bank card, I'm pretty sure. Oh, enabled. Somebody in the YouTube was able to join Laser Crypto. Unable to accept invite. That might be something on your side, maybe. Anybody else have problems with the Discord link or what? It seems like PJ over here was able to join. All right, PJ, no worries, bro. No worries. I'll check that out. You know what to do, PJ, yeah? So you click the link, scroll down, save to favorites, and then go to your favorite section in TradingView and add it to your chart, yeah? You know how to do that? Bit of a mob and stuff like that. It should just bring you straight to it if you click it. Deadeye, we're not in any trades, bro. There's no trades open right now. This was a sell signal, right? From earlier, this would have hit take profit. 100 pips, right? This would have been a take profit anyway, but I didn't take this. Nobody's in any trades right now. No stop loss have been hit. No trades today, gamer. No trades, man. I couldn't find an entry. Yeah, FP Markets is the same, Bernice. Melbourne freezes still? Yeah, I mean, it's getting cold. It's definitely getting cold. It's definitely getting cold, man. My daughter has just got sick as well. Like, she's got a cough, she's got a runny nose, so she's feeling the cold as well. So yeah, the temperatures are definitely changing for sure. But it's not too cold yet. It's not too cold. I was still able to go outside today in just a t-shirt. But today was quite hot. It was like 23 today or something like that. 20 degrees. So it wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad, man. Did you not trade because of news? No, I was looking for trades during my trading window here, but this happened outside of my trading window, and I was looking for sells, but I was looking for sells really like below this key level right here, but it came down into it, but it just never broke below it. Are you staying? Yeah, I live in Melbourne, Bernice. This is where I be. Please check Discord. Was you able to get in the Discord, Laser Crypto? Yeah, so these are all the people that joined up right here, Laser, from that link just then. So it's definitely working. It must be something on your end. Nice, Alwyn. Let's go, bro. Yeah, I see, bro. Very nice. Let's go. What was your trade based on, my guy? What's the analysis, broski? How much profit I made? I haven't made any profit today, Chris. I haven't taken a trade today. Yesterday, Monday, I had a trade, 29 pips, made $2,183 so far for the week. So 2K for the week. I'm up. I'm not rushing into any trades at the moment. I'm happy with my profit so far this week. Copy the link. Oh yeah, copy it and open it in Google Chrome. Laser said Sajid. Nabin has joined the Discord. Nice. Thomas, thank you for the follow. Let's go, Thomas. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. Thomas. So you see here we have a buy signal on the 5-minute time frame, but it is invalid because price, the entry would be all the way up here, right? This candle right here, this entry candle has to break the previous high during the entry candle, otherwise there's no trade. So this would be an invalid trade. Because if you look at the entry, if you look at the table over here and you look at the entry says 2309.035. So if you go entry 2309.035, right? You can see the entry would be up here. This is where you would enter the markets, right? But this entry candle doesn't trigger us in the trade, so that would be no trade, right? You just delete it, you move on to the next one. Need to learn trading. And you just getting into trading, Thomas? When you first started trading, did you ever force a trade? Oh, of course, PJ. If you did, what did you do different later on? Learn from my mistakes and never made them again, or tried my hardest not to make them again. But of course, man, I was once a new trader, you know, brand new to trading, making mistakes, same as everybody else. You just have to learn from your mistakes. That's it. As long as you're learning from your mistakes, then you're fine. But if you're not learning from them and you're making the same mistakes over and 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 over again, then it's a problem. I see someone's trying to get us to the 10K likes on TikTok. You scalping? Yeah, scalping or day trading? Scalping, day trading. How to control emotions in trading? Nabin, if you have a solid strategy and a solid trading and risk management plan and you follow that plan, then you're naturally going to control your emotions because you have a plan, you have a strategy, and you follow it. You have discipline, right? You have the right discipline to follow that plan. Then naturally you're going to be able to control your emotions. It's only when you have FOMO, you're not following your plan, you're not being disciplined, you're being impulsive, you're not being patient, and you're taking trades that you shouldn't be taking. That's when you're not going to be able to control your emotions. That's when it's a problem. But as long as you have a plan and you follow it, then naturally you're going to start learning how to control your emotions, because you're going to be sitting there looking at the charts, you're going to enter a trade, and you're going to say, okay, it's following my strategy, it's following my plan. You know, my risk management is fine. I'm only risking a certain percentage of my account. So if this trade hits stop loss or take profit, I don't care, right? Because I've followed all the steps that I need to in order for this to be a valid trade. Whereas if you're sitting there and you've entered a trade and you're thinking, shit, like, actually this wasn't a good trade. This didn't match up. I'm not following my plan. I'm not following my strategy. My risk is messed up, right? And now you're sitting in drawdown and you're thinking, shit, what the hell am I doing? That's when you're going to not be able to control your emotions, right? So be disciplined. Always follow your plan. Always follow your risk management plan, your trading plan, your strategy. And there's no, as long as you do that, there's no need to you know, you're not going to have emotions because you're going to accept either way what happens. Doesn't matter. Your streams help me a lot, mate. Thank you. No worries, Alwyn. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. I love that, man. I appreciate those words. What ratio is you running for TP and stop loss? 1 to 1 or 1 to 2? Yes, Thomas. Yeah, I do. Thank you, Bernice, for answering his question. I'm glad the streams help you, man. I'm glad the streams help you, Alwyn. Thank you for stopping in always, Alwyn, and, you know, commenting and keeping me company. I'm waiting for New York session. So I trade London, pre-London London session, Smeeksy. So, you know, we was watching price action over here, but now I'm just chilling and I'll be jumping up in a second probably. How long have we been streaming? 2 hours, 15 minutes, yeah. I was thinking about waiting for news, but that's another hour and 15 minutes away. Like, I'm tired as hell, bro. You can find it in my TikTok profile as well, Bernice. Smeeksy, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, my guy. But yeah. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. How's the 4 hour going? We've got 35 minutes left of this 4 hour candle. So let me just get rid of all these levels. It looks messy as hell. So I would say based on, you know, what is happening currently with price action over here, that there's a good chance price could retrace back up into these levels over here, which would be, you know, 2324, 394. As long as this closes bullish in 35 minutes, which is a good chance. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at. I'll be next live for sure. Let's go, Smeeksy. Appreciate that, bro. Runely, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Let's go. The YouTube subs coming in as well. Love that. Love that. But yeah. Version 4 is coming out soon, guys. It's gonna be insane. Version 4 is gonna be insane, alright? Just watch out for it. It should be coming out either late this week, maybe over the weekend, or ready for Monday session, right? Monday session, version 4. Still a couple of things that need to be fixed. Or just altered a little bit, you know, just tweaked a little bit. Other than that, it's looking good. Oh shit, we got 10k likes. Damn. Who was spamming the 10k likes? Tell me. Who was it? Whoever it was. Bring yourself forward in the chat right now. They actually made it, Nimbus. They actually got to 10k likes. You were all spamming it? Was that you, Herman? Alright, so yeah. I will keep my word, right? If you guys want the indicator, can we get the latest buy signal any time frame put in the dashboard? I will give you this is version 4, so you're not going to get this one, but I will give you access to, how does the indicator work? Is it accurate? It's pretty accurate. It's based on my strategy, Smixy, so based on my strategy. So I can feel it slipping away. If you guys want it, come over to the YouTube channel right now. But you're only going to get version 3, right? You're not getting version 4 because it's not out yet. This is the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, you're definitely in there. I've seen you in there. I've seen you in there, Herman, for sure. Alright, if you guys want it, come over to the YouTube. I'll post it right now. I'll post it in there for, I'll leave it in there for 2 minutes, alright? So when you guys are in the YouTube channel, comment that you're here. I'll post it in there for 2 minutes. You guys have got 2 minutes to get it, and then I'm deleting the comment, alright? I can't be having everyone running this, alright? So just when you're in the YouTube chat, just say here, like you're showing up for school, you know what I mean? Here, miss, and I'll post it. And also leave a like on the stream while you're there. I'm only seeing a couple of people. I'm gonna post it. Yeah, we got 10k likes, man. I didn't think you guys were going to do it. I'm not going to lie, but you did it. Trading is learning me a lot of patience since following you. Let's go, Rennie. I appreciate that, man. What's up, Finn? Alright, I'm going to post it, alright? It's going to be in the YouTube chat right now for 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So what you do is you click that link that I just posted. You scroll down. You add it to your favorites. Then you go into TradingView. You click indicators at the top right here. Right? And it will be in your favorite section. And then you just add it to your chart. So it's in the YouTube chat right now. You want it. Forex with Cody on YouTube. Profit? Not yet today, Bernice. Not yet today. Baboon Bait, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. On TikTok, welcome to the TikTok gang. My YouTube is giving me trouble with the chat. What do you mean, Herman? What do you mean, my guy? You go over to the YouTube, you click the link, it will bring you to a TradingView page. You scroll down, add it to your favorites, and then you go over here on TradingView, your indicators and metrics and strategy section, and it will be right here like this, Forex with Cody, algorithm V3, and you just click it, add it to your charts, and it's going to pop up on your charts. Otherwise, you got to purchase it. We're at 11k likes now, almost 12k. Jesus, you guys are going crazy. But that's it. Did everyone get it? I've now deleted the message. Yo, Atlas, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go, Atlas. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, that's version 3, guys. So version 3 literally is very simple, right? It's a very simplified version. This is what you're going to get for version 3. It's the exact same signals. Well, I won't say the exact same. They have been improved. The quality of the signals have been improved slightly in version 4. But yeah, it's basically the same thing, right? This is the 1 hour time frame. You know, this is what you get. It will just give you signals like this, right? What time frame? I would, oh yeah, 100%. Guys, if you're using the indicator, use it on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame when you're starting off, right? 1 hour or 30 minutes. Don't go below that. You can go above that if you want. You can go onto the 4 hour. You can go onto the daily, but do not go below the 30 minute or the 1 hour time frame. I highly recommend using the 1 hour time frame. But this is what it's going to look like, right? Version 3 is a very simplified. It's just very easy on the eyes. Um, 100 pips, 250 pips, hundreds of pips from this buy signal right here all the way up is like 800 pips. Sell signal comes down 130 pips. Right, so this is on the 1 hour time frame. You're looking at day trading, right? You're looking to get in and out on the day, on the same day. Does that work with any broker? Oh yeah, I would recommend, also highly recommend using Oanda as well. Oanda, okay? So use Oanda broker crypto, gold on Oanda, okay? Gold on Oanda. That's a good point, Renier. It's on my head. Does it run off FEG or BS? Looks like it. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It does not, man. So yeah, before I go, the one. So for you guys who got, Gilbert, appreciate you, man. Thank you for the diamonds. 2 diamonds, my guy. So yeah, before I go, make sure first of all you're using XAUUSD from Oanda, okay, guys? Make sure you're listening. XAUUSD from Oanda, the broker. Make sure you're using it on that. Make sure you're using it on the 1 hour or 30-minute time frame. I would highly suggest the 1 hour time frame. What else? What else? $20K? 20K likes, guys. But yeah, once version 4 drops, this one will be obviously gone, right? Because it will get replaced with version 4. So you guys will get to use it for a week. See if you like it. It's very simple. Also, one thing as well. So all signals are not valid, okay? So trade the 1 hour time frame, trade Oanda broker, gold Oanda, and you only take trades once the sell signal shows up and it breaks the previous candle low, okay? So this would be a valid trade right here, right? Because the entry candle, the signal candle, comes down and it breaks the previous 1 hour low, okay? You see that? The entry signal right here comes down and breaks that previous 1 hour low. You would enter right here as it breaks it by a couple of pips. You'd put your stops above the previous 1 hour high. You will target a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2, okay? This would not be a sell signal right here. This would not be a sell signal, okay? This would not be valid because the entry candle, the sell signal entry candle, doesn't come down and break the previous 1 hour low. Okay, can you guys put an okay in the chat if you're getting this information and you understand? So you're not taking every single buy or sell signal. It has to break the previous candle high or low first of all, okay? So this, again, right, this would be an invalid signal, right? You would not take this trade. You will take this trade because you get a sell signal, right? You get a sell signal, and then the entry candle comes and breaks the previous 1 hour low. So you would enter that right there. your stops would be above that previous 1 hour high, and you would enter a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, right? So that would be a valid trade. This one would not be a valid trade. It would not be a valid signal, right? Because the entry candle doesn't come down and break the previous low, previous 1 hour low, okay? So that would be an invalid trade. You would not take a sell right there. We take a look at some buys. This would not be a buy, right? Because again, the entry candle, the signal candle, doesn't break that previous 1 hour high right there. So that would not be a signal. Okay, this would be a valid signal right here. You would have an entry right here. You would go 39 pips, potentially losing trade or potentially a break-even trade, right? This would not be a sell because the entry candle, the signal candle, does not break the previous 1 hour low. But this would be a sell, okay? Because you get the signal, and then the signal candle breaks that previous candle low, and you would enter here somewhere, stops above, 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. Exactly to the T right there, look at that. For 260 pips. All right. So now that you understand how to use it, you're not taking every single trade, okay? You're only taking the trades where the entry candle breaks the previous high or low. So I hope you guys understand that. Don't know if I got that right setting up. What do you mean, Renier? All right, can you guys see this? I want you to go ahead and write this down for me right now, okay? Write it down right now. I don't want you guys using this wrong and losing money or blowing accounts, all right? So make sure you write this down. Please. Yeah, it works on Forex as well, for sure. 1 hour time frame though, 1 hour time frame. Please do your testing on the 1 hour time frame. After some months of experience with using this indicator, you can go down to the lower time frames, all right? But for now, stick to the 1 hour time frame. But you guys can always come back and watch this live stream as well if you need another reminder of how to use it properly. What's the indicator name? This is Forex with Cody Algo version 3. V3. It'll be on my website. But anyway, guys, I'm going to head off. YouTube, I'm going to end the stream right here. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for the subs, the comments, the views, the love. Appreciate you guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow as well on YouTube and on TikTok, all right? But I'm going to go get some sleep. I'm exhausted. And yeah. Yeah. I'm out. Peace out.